Hello everyone. Today we are going to look at three different sounds. The sound for the letter D, the sound for G and for Q. Now sound for the letter D is going to be D. Try saying dad. D. Dad. So D is the sound for D. G. Goat. G. Goat. G is the sound for G. And qu. Queen. Qu. Qu is the sound for Q. Now let us see how to write D. Just the way you make your K, you do it, go up, come down on the same line, D. Go up, touch the line, come down, D. Now if you're writing in the red and the blue lines, then between the blue lines, touch the top red line and down again, D. Let us take a look at the D words. Here are Daffy Duck and Daddy Duck. Let us look at their things. This is Daffy Duck's dog. Ducks like to play the drum. This is Daffy's desk. Daddy likes to draw. This is Daffy Duck's drink. This is Daffy's doll. Here is Daddy's diary. Here is the dinner for the ducks. The D words that we saw today are duck, daddy, dog, drum, desk, draw, drink, doll, diary, dinner. Let us see how to write G. And in the same way you make your K, but now you go down and swing. G. Now if you're writing in your red and blue lines, then between your blue lines, just like your K, then go up, come down, touch the bottom red line and swing. G. Let us take a look at the G words. He is Gary. Gary likes to play in the garden. There is some grass in the garden. The grass is green. There is a girl at the gate of the garden. The girl has some grapes for Gary. The girl and Gary eat the grapes. The grapes are good. Gary has a globe. The globe is broken. Gary will fix the globe with the glue. The G words that we saw are Gary, garden, grass, green, gate, girl, grapes, good, globe, glue. Now we are going to see how to write Q. Just the way you wrote your G, Q is going to be quite similar. But now you go down and a kick at the back. Q. between the red and the blue lines. Go down and kick at the back. Qu. Let us take a look at the qu words. She is the queen, and that is the door for her quiet room. Now we all need to remain quiet as we are going inside to see what's in there. A quilt, a quill, a quail, a quiver. The arrows are kept in the quiver. A quiz sheet. Can you see the question mark on the quiz sheet? A duck who quacks. The qu words that we saw today are queen, quiet, quilt, quill, quail, quiver, quiz, question, quack.